Thank you for joining us for the weekly wrap-up. I'm Bianca Pantoja. Students are laying the foundation for careers in skilled trades, one challenge at a time. With every cut, weld and repair. Over 100 students from 5 school sites put their skills to the test, competing in the first ever Technology Skills Challenge. With local professionals serving as judges and exhibitors, the challenge provided a unique opportunity for students to showcase their skills while also gaining a stronger understanding of their trade.
Exposing our students to every company or industry partner here in town is kind of crucial to get them to understand to where, hey, what job opportunities are out there. It gets our local community to be able to connect with our students. And so it kind of bridges that gap that some students wouldn't even kind of know what opportunities are out there or what relationships they even kind of start building or where to go. So I think it's crucial for their success to be able to have our local industry partners involved in something like this.
Demonstrating precision, speed, and determination, students took on various challenges in welding, construction, and automotive industries where they were awarded for their craftsmanship and dedication to meeting professional standards. We'd like to thank our sponsors for their continued support and our judges and instructors for shaping the next generation of trade-skilled professionals. For a full list of awardees, please visit our website at kernhigh.org. From the proud emblems on their caps to the cherished mementos in their scrapbooks, every piece of memorabilia our local veterans shared spoke volumes of courage and resilience. For students at Liberty High School, history wasn't just something read in a textbook. It came alive through the voices of those who lived it.
That's a big base where they trained you for B-52 school. So that's where I went to learn everything there was to know about a B-52.
So this is an opportunity to build community and allow the history to come alive for students outside of the textbook. Some of our veterans here have experiences that have never been recorded, and they're not in an archive anywhere, but they're just as important as the memories that are in an archive that we do study in our textbooks. And so this gives the veterans an opportunity to put their memories down on paper. The students are taking notes, and we keep these journals as a way to remember the history so that these stories are something that are going to live on even 50, 100 years from now.
Through heartfelt conversations, students discovered not just the sacrifices these heroes made, but also the impact their stories carry for future generations.
I love that we are always there to give them that comfort that we do care for them, and we are so thankful that they did serve our country and protected us, because they gave us this future that we have now. I think it's awesome seeing that we are grateful for them because initially they never got the thank yous and the, thank you for serving our country. So I think it's amazing that we give them that opportunity, to get that respect that they always deserved.
A day of gratitude, a day of remembrance, and a day where history was not just honored, but preserved, one conversation at a time. At Foothill High School, passion and dedication to agricultural education shine bright, thanks in part to Vernon Clark. As a finalist for the 2024-2025 Ag Educator of the Year through Nationwide's prestigious Golden Owl Award, Clark's impact extends far beyond the classroom. His support has helped students take on leadership roles, participate in competitive events, and work towards earning their state FFA degrees, achievements they may not have pursued without his encouragement. This April at the 2025 State FFA Leadership Conference, Clark will be recognized for his achievements as one of 6 outstanding finalists. Congratulations, Mr. Clark. Beyond the classroom, agriculture education was recently celebrated through the achievements of our outstanding FFA students. Their hard work and dedication were recognized at a special luncheon hosted by the Kern Agricultural Foundation. Top ag students, their principals, and administrators came together for an afternoon to celebrate their achievements. Students also got the opportunity to introduce themselves and share their goals and successes with attendees. The Kern Ag Foundation is a nonprofit that assists with agriculture curriculum development and promotes ag education, training, student activities, and scholarships. We want to extend a heartfelt thank you to the foundation and the board for their continued support of our students and programs. Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-up. To see more videos from across the district, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information Office YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.